Hi guys, in this video we're going to deal with extensively the operations of standard form for those writing WAEC, JAMB and other national exams. How do you handle questions that has to do with standard form? Just follow me. Right. In this question, we'll simplify this. We have 4.25 times 10 raised to the power 5 plus 4.14 times 10 raised to the power 4. Yeah, look at this. All you need to do, don't convert this to ordinary number. The both sides, don't touch this number. Look at the power of 10. Pick, factorize, and bring out the one with the lower power, which is 10 raised to the power 4. Bring it out. 10 raised to the power 4 goes into this. We have 4.25 times 10 raised to the power 1. Now 10 raised to the power 4 divide 10 raised to the power 5. By indices, you have 10 raised to the power 5 minus 4, which is 10 raised to the power 1. That gives us this. Plus this goes into this. This cancels this. We have 4.14. All right. This is equal to 10 raised to the power 4 into. Now look at this is 10. 10 raised to the power 1 is 10. Now divide this by 10. We have 2.5 plus 1.14. Add up this. If you add up this, you're going to have 42.5 plus 4.14 added together. This is 4664. Then our answer becomes 46.64 times 10 raised to the power 4. Now, this is not standard form yet. It's not standard form because by standard form, listen, standard form is written this way. All right. Yeah. And the value of A is greater than 0, but less or equals to 9. This is the range of A, meaning that A will take the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that clear? That the value of A here, this side, shouldn't be bigger than any of this number, or less than any of that number. So here, we have the need to move the point backward. So we have 4.6, and by that movement, this becomes times 10 raised. By moving like that, it means it's 10 raised to the power 1. Then times 10 raised to the power 4. Is that clear? All right. If we have what we have here, we have 4.664 by 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 1 times 10 raised to the power 4 give you 10 raised to the power 5. Final answer. Question like this, simplify and express this in standard form. How do you go about this? Right? Now, simply by division, we have 7.45 by 10 raised to the power 14 divided by 0.025 raised to the power 10. Now, what this means is you're dividing this by this. Use your calculator to get the answer, but I want to encourage you, how do we get it without the use of calculator? If you're asked to do so. So this number here is the same thing this way, divided by, we're dividing this by 0.025, then times 10 raised to the power 14 divided by 10 raised to the power 10. Is that clear? All right. What convert this to fraction by doing what? Directly under the point, write 1. This under this, write 0, 0. So we have 745 over 100. Now divided by the same thing here, 0, mean 1 here, 0, 0, 0. So I have 25 over 1000. All right, times 10 raised to the power 14 divided by 10 raised to the power 10. Right, clear? This is how we go about it. Now we can cancel here. 5 here, 20. 5 here, 1. Carry 2, 24. 5 into 24, that gives us what? 4. 4. Right. 5 into 24, 4. Carry 4. 45. 5 into 45, 9. 9, 20. Okay. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Change the sign of the rule. When you change the sign, the denominator goes up, numerator comes down. Okay. 0, 0. Here. Now this is equals to what we have. 149. Multiply this by 250 times 10 raised to the power 14. Okay, let me just do that. That's 10 raised to the power 14 minus, by indices, this power here, 2.98. Yeah, times 10 raised to the power 4. Now, this has fulfilled the condition for standard. Yeah. How about this question? You're multiplying this. When you're multiplying, what do? Simply multiply. You have 1.245 by multiply with 3.47 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 times straight away. Nothing to do that. If you multiply, what you have here? If you multiply that gives you 4.32015 times 10 raised to the power, by law of indices, when you multiply with common base, add the power. So that gives us 4.32, if you leave it this way, times 10 raised to the power minus 6 plus 4 gives you minus 2. This is the answer in standard form. It is given that A is equals to 3.6 by 10 raised to the power minus 4, and B is given this way. And you have to evaluate in the place of, we have roots A, what's the value of A? 3.6 by 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 9 by 10 raised to the power 3. Alright. This is equal to, how do you go about this? We have root, convert the decimal to fraction. That become this 36, 3.6, directly under the right one, that was 36 over 10. Alright. The 10 will come on that. Then I have 9 times 10, right, minus 4, 9 times 10 times 10 raised to the power 3. I hope that's clear. This 10 is what is here. Now, I can have this as root 36 by 10 raised to the power minus 4 over 9 times this 10 raised to the power 1, that gives me 10 raised to the power 4. Add up the power. Alright, we can find the square root of each of these, meaning that root 36 over root 9 times root 10 raised to the power minus 4 over 10 raised to the power 4. Yeah, split this way and get it. Root 36 is 6, root 9 is 3, then root 10 raised to the power minus 4. Do it this way, minus 4 raised to the power half. Alright, over 10 raised to the power 4 raised to the power half as well. These are the final square root. Now, we're almost there. 6 divided by 3, you have 2. Alright. If I have this gives me 2. So I have 10 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 2 here. 10 raised to the power 2. My final answer, this is 2 times, by law of indices, this means what? 10 raised to the power minus 2 minus 2, which gives us 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. This is how you go about this. Please do well to like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials. You have a question like this. This decimal equal to, how do you handle this? We have this equals to the number here. Move the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives us 8.45 raised to power minus 9 equal to 8.45 and 10 raised to power minus 3. Is it clear? So on this side, we have it this way. Right. Then what we have here, this cancel this. Yeah, we are left with 10 raised to power minus 9 is equals to 10 raised to power minus 3. By law of indices, drop the base, ignore the base. We now have minus 9 is equals to minus 3n, or simply minus 3n is equals to minus 9. Therefore, divide both sides by minus 3. That gives us n is equals to minus 9 divided by minus 3, which is equals to 3. A question, this kind of question, find the value of k given that this number is equals to this. Now, by standard form, you can write this number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have it as 6.52 by 10 raised to power 6, right? Equals to k by 10 raised to power 6. Yeah, this is straightforward. Now that we have this raised to power of 6, this raised to power of 6, it means k is equals to 6.52 as the answer. Or divide through by this, and you're left at k is equals to it. To approach it, if a is equals to 4 by 10 raised to the power 4, and b is equal to this, and c is this way, evaluate. All right, solution. Now a raised to the power 3b over, now a, what is a? 4 times 10 raised to the power 4, now raised to the power of 3 times, what's b? b is 10 raised to the power minus 5, yeah, over, what is c? c, we have 0.00004 raised to the power 2. Right? Now, by indices, what does this mean? We have 4 raised to the power 3 times 10 raised to the power 4. Multiply this with this. That gives us 12 by 10 raised to the power minus 5. Right, together. We have convert this to, write it in standard form. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 4 by 10 raised to the power minus 5. Then raised to power 2. These two. Okay. Now we have equal to simple. This is chi. Yeah, raise it to this. Multiply this. This gives us 10 raised to the power 12 minus 5. Yeah, if you add the power, 12 minus 5 gives us 7. Yeah, over, now each of these in the bracket carries power. This is the power here, 4 raised to the power 2. times, multiply this with this, that gives us minus 10. Right, let's go. Here, we're almost there. Divide this by this, that's 4 raised to the power 3 minus 2 by indices times 10 raised to the power 7 minus minus 10. You know why I have the minus, and the law says subtract this power from this power. Already this one's carrying power. So this by the law, and the power this one's carries. So final answer, written in the standard form, 4 raised to the power 1, 3 minus 2, 4, by 10 raised to the power, out of here we have 7 plus 10, which our answer is 4 by 10 raised to the power 17. That's final answer.